Hi, I'm Sally. I'm here to show you some simple steps on how to assemble your wet-dry shop vac. This particular one is a Craftsman 9-gallon. First, you get your leg and you just slide it right on in. You get the 5/16 screw. Use your drill and simply just put it in. Then you get your wheel. And snap it into place. Now that you have screwed in the screw with the 5/16 socket and snapped in your wheel, we're ready for the next step. Next thing will be to put on your lid, snap it in place, and your tool tray. Snap it right on in. What I like about this particular wet-dry shop vac is that you have an option of using this as a blower. Just simply open it, attach this, and use it as a blower. But for the most part, you're going to have to keep this on to use it as a wet-dry shop vac. Again, for the wet application, what you need to do is put the sock in. So what I like to do is turn this over and put in your sock. Once you have put the sock in, put this little cover in here. Flip this over. It seems to constantly want to roll away. So now it is ready. Make sure that you close these in place. Then you can plug this in after you put your hose in. And you're ready for your wet application. Now to convert it from a wet vac to a dry vac, make sure you remove the sock and this little cover. So you put in your filter, your paper filter, snap it in place, put the lid, and lock it in place. I have used this shop vac without a filter. I'm sorry, not a filter, but a bag. So if you choose to use a bag, simply snap it in place, and you're ready to go. Once you have completed, don't forget to put the lid on, snap it, and you're ready to go. I love these extensions, so don't forget about these. They have other attachments. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that it was helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to assemble items, and watch some other how-to videos that I have posted so that you can be able to save some money. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.